Ye my Ghana mua. Mpempia na ye nipa bebrade mu kesenene no. Moment of truth so ye be bubumu ne ayemre no bi atia se na woto aba wa hu se na besi ato na fa. No na nchen ye wo Jubedi evo for your friend NDC and you because enchen ye koto aba. What are the policies of the NDC for you? Say we teacher ni, say we driver ni, say we akoda, say we penyimu, say we abanjuma, say we student. The NDC has a message, a policy for you. John Dramani Mahama has something for you as part of his vision. And until NDC and you is for you, and it is important that you follow. And on nine your segment for Friday lest we forget. As the name suggests, no, you the boy your honkaye. And you may be here, and what's your trade no. And unless we forget, we'll talk about it. And lastly, we'll have the opportunity to read your messages before we wrap up. This is an action power-packed show. You will not be disappointed in watching. Spread the word, comment. We will read your comments, like the link, share the link, and make sure that your friends, your family, ubia because and no cry. Ekoso efa ya mamu hu ewo Ghana obetini nyina free. Now buzian for baby your dream. Emra so say yekohwe the recap. Enti twa mi sisi amesan so about what this for me.
My brothers and sisters, we are not in ordinary times. This is not news. Some of us have been around for a while and have experienced the to and fro of politics in Ghana. But never have we experienced the levels of greed, unbridled arrogance, unrestrained impunity, sheer dishonesty, barefaced hypocrisy, incompassion, as displayed by this incumbent government over the past 6 years and more. The election ahead is not so much about Ghana making history, although that is important. It is not so much about returning a competent president back to power. It is not even about producing the first woman vice president. Historical and exciting though these are, it is not only about bringing the NDC back to power, although that is indispensable in our current circumstances. The elections ahead and winning them is about winning elections for a purpose. The purpose goes beyond those enumerated above. The purpose is the opportunity to heal our country again. It is about the opportunity to pull Ghana back from the precipice of destruction, of normalizing corruption, of incomprehensive greed, from deep despair. The election ahead and winning it for our party is about hard work and abiding sacrifice. It is to embrace everyone in building a Ghana that functions again. It is to work towards a Ghana where citizens have confidence and hope and are determined to regain their independence of thought and of agenda. We must work towards a Ghana that